Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your profile photo from certain contacts on Telegram. Alright guys, let's just open the Telegram application on our phone. Then we're going to click on this button after our Telegram has been opened. Tap on this button, then you're going to click on the settings option right here guys. Then there will be several options for you and you have to select the privacy and security setting. And since we want to hide our profile photo, we can tap on the profile photo right here. Tap on it. Then you're going to add exception right here guys. Click on add user, then just select the contact you want to hide your profile photo from, and you just need to tap and hold on the contact like this. Tap and hold on it, and if you want to select more than one contact, you can tap on another contact like this. Okay, then once you're done, you just need to click on the checkmark button. Then don't forget to click on this checkmark button to save the setting. And alright guys, that's how we can hide our profile photo from certain contacts on Telegram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.